our YouTube channel. It's Manny, Texas Best here in Tomball. Got a 2011 custom vehicle that was built for Sema. I can tell you what it is, but I think you can look at it and tell by the iconic hood what this is a rendition of. I just started it up and was amazed. I didn't realize, I thought it was just cosmetic, but let me go ahead and just start it up real quick, and you can, it is automatic. I think it's got a cam on there. It's got a pretty big globe, so it's not just cosmetic, it's actually performance as well. Sitting, as you can tell here, right here on some 22s. If you know anything about vehicles at all, and know anything about camshafts, you're gonna hear a car that's ready to perform. We love it here in your business. We want you to come by and take a look at it. I'm going to open up the inside for you so you can take a look. Pop the hood, take a look. It is 6.2 liter. That thing is just rocking. You see it? Look. Yep, that's power. American muscle. Let me go ahead and open the hood right quick. Oh, it stops. Let me start it up real quick. Oh, you know, that's anti-theft deterrent right there, right? Alright, let's open it up. Valve covered. Everything's color match. Looks great. I told my son last night, looks like it's a Hulk green. But just like you see right there, they built it. It was showcased there at Sema in Las Vegas. So it's got a K&N cold air intake on it. So this thing warms up, you know it's going to idle a lot better. But just for me listening to it, thing's a beast. Let's take a look at the inside real quick on the passenger side. Alright, so they got the Firebird Trans Am embroidery on it. The thing's beautiful, man. The people that did this did a fantastic job with the embroidery. Whoever did the upholstery, I have no idea. I wish I can give the credit to them, but they did a great job. It isn't like they could just go and type in 1973 Pontiac Firebird, or you know, they had to do it themselves. So great job to these guys. If I can find the info for you, I will. So the dash, everything's stock inside. Looks like XM radio. You know, you can sync up your phone to it. It is automatic, as you can see. And we did have paddle shifters. Let me get on the other side now. So it's got the Boston acoustic stereo. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's like a 700 watt stereo. Paddle shifters, like I said, just look at here, plus and minus. All your dials, all your control gauges down here below. Heads-up display. You can, you know, some people are taller than others, so you can always move your heads-up display up and down when XM thinking out. Well, I don't know. That's what the radio station looks like. So just listen to that thing. If you guys are in the market, man, for a Camaro, wants a little bit different, that's great. Let us know. This is Manny here at Fincher's Texas Best, located in Tomball. Let's see how many miles the thing has on it. I want to know as well. Oh, my hood's open. Anyway, I'll post the mileage on the video. Bear with me on just being so new at putting these videos together, but nonetheless, I'm just excited, dude, with this amazing inventory, man. I hope you enjoy it as well. Of course, it has OnStar, second generation airbag on it as well. Garage door opener, the whole 9 yards. Alright, let me go back out there and close it up. Tires are in good shape as well, looks like. I don't think there needs any tires on it. There's our phone number, 832-559-6700, 832-559-6700. We have a great selection of sports cars, Corvettes, Mustangs. This one here just caught my attention. My 10-year-old son loved it last night, and I just felt the need to make a video. And then once I just heard that cam on this thing, it just made me that much more excited. So I hope you're excited about this as well. I would love to earn your business. We have a lot of great financing. This is that thing. All right, guys, this is Manny. Talk to you soon. Thanks so much.